Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the printer and router are powered and on the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential so you can read and apply settings. Once done, check your router label for the default SSID and network password, because that can speed things up if the printer wasn't set up yet. Now you access the printer control panel or its embedded web server from your computer. Log in if prompted, and make sure you have admin rights to view wireless security details. You'll now go into the printer's network or wireless settings to locate the security key. Once inside, select the Wi-Fi protected setup or the wireless network details so you can see encryption type and the network key. If the key is hidden, use the option to reveal or copy it. If you prefer, print a network configuration report from the printer menu. That report often lists the SSID and the security key, so you don't need to manually transcribe characters. You finish by entering the found security key into the device's Wi-Fi setup or pasting it into the embedded web server to reconnect the printer. If the key is missing or incorrect, use the router's WPS push button with the printer or reset the printer's wireless settings and reconfigure from scratch. This forces a fresh key exchange. If things go wrong, power cycle both router and printer. Wait 30 seconds and retry. This clears temporary network.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.